Good morning. Today is super early, 7:16 to be exact. It's 66 degrees, which is not that cold, honestly. What are we doing this early in the morning? We are picking up 2024 Range Rover Sport. So we're going early in the morning for a few reasons. A, because Castro Aces opens at 9:30, and we gotta go be back for that time. B, because in the morning is usually less traffic than what we're seeing, especially on a Saturday. So we're going to be keeping distances from all cars. So once it gets to Castro Aces, we are going to do the ultimate armor package on that car. So that includes the front bumper, headlights, fenders, hood, partial A-pillars, all PPF. The rest of the car is going to get the Lifetime Ceramic Pro Iron package. And this particular one is also going to get ultimate IR window tints. So we'll see. So stay tuned. All right, we're here. This is a beauty. It's a white color and it has a beautiful metallic to edge. I don't know if the camera will be able to pick it up, but we're going to bring it to Castro Aces. So it's going to be looking like $1 million. So let's go back because we have to open at 9:30.
A few moments later.
All right, it got prep in the Oasis Can Car Wash, then it got polish. So now it is time for the PPF and the window tints. This car is going to Florida, so he wants, I believe down there 15% is legal. So this is going to have 15%, and then we're still debating what we're going to do for the windshield. But what he's doing right now, he's prepping it, so it is the ultimate iron package. So PPF is going to be in the front bumper, the headlights, the hood, the mirrors, the A-pillars. On this one is nice because they have the roof line and the A-pillars have a line in it, so you see no lines on this particular car. So let's get to work. The Range Rover SBR is done. So it received the Ultimate Armor package, which is the whole front end PPF, the rest of it ceramic coating, plus Ceramic Pro plastic, glass, and wheels. Also, you got the ultimate IR for the ultimate protection. This particular Range Rover is going to Florida. The client is going to bring it there for the winter. So it's going to be picked up, I think, in around a couple of hours. So it's already protected and ready for the Florida sunshine. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and comment, and let us know what is the next project you would like to see. Also, we have a lot of shorts, so if you have any questions about those, let us know as well.